Large asteroid to fly safely past Earth today. A large asteroid is flying past Earth today. It is called 2025 OW, and it is about the same size as a passenger airplane. Scientists say it will not hit Earth and there is no danger. The asteroid is moving very fast. It will pass about 393,000 miles away. That is more than the distance from Earth to the Moon. Events like this are not rare, and space experts watch the skies every day. There is nothing to worry about, said a NASA expert. We see many space rocks like this each year. You cannot see the asteroid without a powerful telescope, but scientists are using special tools to learn more about it. They want to know how it moves and what it looks like. This helps them understand what to do if a dangerous asteroid ever comes close in the future. Today's flyby shows why space monitoring is important, even though the asteroid is safe. Watching space carefully helps protect the Earth.